I just wanted to brag on Tembo a little bit. She takes all the extra hay from underneath the hay bale outside, and she moved all of that in here, every bit of that, inside here, and she piles it up, and she burrows down in it and makes her a little bed every day. And sometimes when it's really cold, we'll take the hay and kind of put it on top of her, finish covering her up, and the goats sometimes eat it off of her. Oh no. Oh no. I'm staying warm, Tembo. You're a smart girl.
You in there, Tembo? Tembo. Hey, Tembo. What are you doing in there? Where are you? Little Tembo. You don't want to come out? Are you warm? Oh my goodness, I can feel the heat in there, girl. Oh, I'll cover you back up.